Hey guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work for December 3rd. This is all about annuals versus perennials, and this is independent work because me and the in-person students will be working in the garden today. So you'll be doing this independently. It says today you will complete the attached hyperdoc. Start from the top of the document and work your way down. There's 4 steps to today's work. You're going to do a check-in, you'll watch a video clip, you'll do a reading, and then you'll complete a summary. And it's very important that when you do your summary, you share it with me at asauce1@neisd.net. There's only one attachment here, the hyperdoc. Go ahead and click on that. And now today we're learning about annuals versus perennials versus biennials. But the first thing I want you to do is be reflective for a second and think about how are you feeling. You're going to click here to share how you're feeling, and you type your answer right here. I already put that I feel tired. I feel tired today. You do not have to put your name. This can be anonymous. I just wanted to start off the sharing of how we're feeling. And so just be honest, and you do not have to put your name on there if you don't want to. And if you want to, then go for it. Just be aware that everybody does see your answers. This is an answer garden, so it's visible for everyone to see. So make sure they're appropriate, relevant, and reflective. Once you're done with that, exit out, and you're going to click here to watch a video. The video is only about 2 minutes, and it's about perennials and annuals, and it's by HGTV, which is a popular gardening channel, Home and Garden. So you'll watch that video, and he'll tell you about annuals versus perennials, and then you're going to click here and you're going to read about annuals, perennials, and biennials. And this is from Texas A&M University, which specializes in agriculture. That's what the A stands for in Texas A&M, agriculture. So they specialize in things like gardening and planting. So take some time and read over this. If you prefer to listen to me read, then you don't need to click there. You click on the third click here. It says click here to listen to me read to you. And if you click here, you can just watch me read to you on the YouTube link. Once you finish that, you're going to click here to summarize what you've learned. So when you click here, you're going to make the copy. This is your own copy now when you hit make a copy. And you're going to go up here and you're going to type your full name for me, first and last name. So I'm going to type my first and last name, Angelique Saucetta. You're going to do the same. We've done these summary frames before. You're going to erase the blank line and fill in some facts. So although I already knew that there are annuals and perennials, I learned some new information about how long they live for. And what you're going to be doing is deleting the spaces between. So when you're done, this will all look like one paragraph. Once you finish with that, it's important that you share it with me. So up on the top right, there's a share button. You're going to click share. And you're going to just type ASauce1. And then my name should pop up, Angelique Saucetta. So make sure you share it with me or else I won't see that you did the work. It should save automatically. It's a Google Doc, so you share it with me when you're done. Delete those lines, condense all the sentences together to make a full paragraph, and then go ahead and exit out. Just a reminder, you need to share the document with me, and I have my email right here. So you could copy and paste it into the share option if you'd like. If you finish everything early, then I really want you to use this time wisely to check your Skyward, not just your Google Classroom. Go to Skyward, check your grades, and complete missing work, not just for my class, but for any of your classes. If you have questions, comment, and I'll reply very quickly.